It's choreographed by Katie Clarke and Chris Mazzei. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, easy improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Shrank. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left. So we're going to step right foot, side, cross left behind right, right side, touch left next to right. We're now going to step left foot to the side, cross right behind left, step left foot to the side, and touch our right next to our left. Let's try that with some counts doing your grapevines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do heel switches with a heel grind. So we're going to take our right heel, place it forward, quickly step our right next to our left, and place your left heel forward. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right. We're going to place our right heel forward with your toes slightly pointed to the left, putting your weight onto your heel. You're going to rotate your toes from left to right, recovering back onto your left foot. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left and place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left, and we're going to do a left heel grind, taking our left heel, placing it forward with your toes pointed to the right, putting weight onto your left heel, and rotate your toes from right to left and recover back onto your right foot, and then step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts doing your heels. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 3, we're going to do a Monterey half turn. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. We're going to do a half turn over our right shoulder, turning on our left foot, bringing our right foot in and next to your left to face 6 o'clock. Weight's now on your right foot. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're now going to shuffle forward with our right foot, stepping right forward, left together, right forward, and you're going to rock forward with your left foot and recover back onto your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our heel switches with our heel grind. Your weight is on your left foot. You're going to do your Monterey half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to shuffle back with our left foot, stepping left back, right together, left back. We're going to rock back with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to do a half turn over our left shoulder, and as we do that, we're going to step back with our right foot, and you're going to hit your left knee up. You're now facing 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, and you're going to flick your right foot back behind your left, and you're going to hit your right heel with your left hand. And that is the end of the dance, and you would start all over with your grapevines. So let's try that with some counts. We just rocked with our left and recovered back onto our right. We're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to shuffle back. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll end facing 9 o'clock, ready to start the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. We're going to do our grapevine to the right. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, heel, step, heel, grind, step, heel, grind, step, Monterey, half turn. Shuffle forward with your right, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, hitch, quarter, flick. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your grapevines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, some things that are going to help those hitches and flick feel like a little bit more of a fluid motion. When you do this half hitch, if you slightly over rotate, so your hips are open to the left, and you go right into that quarter turn with your flick, it's going to make it feel like you're doing more of a natural turn than feeling like it's a little disconnected. So when you do this hitch, you rock back, recover, you do your half hitch, step right into that quarter. So you want to think that hitch is bringing you into that quarter, step to the side, and then you can flick your right foot back. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our grapevine. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Heel step, heel, grind step, heel step, heel, grind step, Monterey, half turn, right shuffle forward, left rock, recover, left shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, half, hitch, quarter, flick, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, heel switches, heel, heel, grind step, heel, grind step, Monterey, half turn, right shuffle forward, left rock, recover, left shuffle, back rock, back, recover, half, hitch, quarter, flick, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the dance ends facing the side wall. So what I like to do is to make an ending. You would have just finished your flick. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. I just like to make my grapevine make a quarter turn. So I just do our side, behind, quarter, and then step together or touch, and you'll end facing 12 o'clock if you're somebody that likes to end facing the front. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Shrank. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Busting up my heart.